When we embarked on this mission, we felt like we didn't really have a whole lot of support from the outside. And CJE really stepped up, and they were our partner. They were really a resource on the outside that worked with my legislative team. But we wanted to set down the bedrock in federal law that all states across the country could expand upon. I don't care what you're leading, whether it's a sports team, a family as a parent, a business, your responsibility is to take care of people that can't take care of themselves. And in all of our lives, children squarely fit that definition. Our job is to protect our kids, to get them through those formative years where they're not able to protect themselves. And no child is more vulnerable than child's in custody disputes, because when you hear the term in court, best interest of the child, that's the common law phrase. You don't see a whole lot of that, unfortunately, in a lot of our courtrooms. But the point behind Kayden's law was to have a federal baseline that we can expand and grow upon in all 50 states in America, to make sure that kids that are already dealing in tough circumstances, dealing in any child and anybody that's been involved in any kind of custody dispute, oftentimes the child's interests get left behind. And not only are they suffering psychological and emotional trauma from that, but oftentimes physical danger. In Kayden's situation, the worst case. It's our job to fight against that, and I'm just happy to partner with CJE. This is a long-term fight, and I will tell you, getting Kayden's law passed was not easy. It's not easy getting anything done around here. There's 535 legislators on Capitol Hill, 100 in the Senate, 435 in the House. It's a lot of people to get on the same page. It's hard to hit the 60-vote threshold in the Senate. It's hard to get a bipartisan bill passed through the House. It shouldn't be, but it is in this climate. And the fact that we were able to get, as part of the reauthorization, the new and improved Violence Against Women Act reauthorized. We didn't just take the old version and pass it forward, because there are a lot of things like gun violence prevention and additional provisions to this bill that were important. You come to the center, you build consensus, and you actually get things across the finish line. Like Kayden's law, like the Violence Against Women Act, like other issues that you all care about. You can come here to be a workhorse or a show horse. You can be a legislator, or you can be an entertainer. That's a choice you make when you come here. What we do here matters, and that's why I want to let you all know what you do here matters as well. Because this law came to be because somebody in your circumstance came to me and said, can you help? And that's now enshrined in the law, so it does matter. So thank you all for being here. We're proud to continue this march with you.